How to change country on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can change your country on Roblox, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So whether you are using the Roblox app or whether you're using on a website, even if I go to roblox.com and log in, let me tap the gear icon, and if I go to settings, you will find that if you want to change a country, there is no such setting inside of settings where we can use in order to change our country. Even if I go to account info, I can go to many details here, but you will not find the option to change a country. Now, in order to change a country in Roblox, the only way you can do it is by simply installing a VPN. So if you connect and you want to change a region to USA, download a USA VPN. If you want to connect to some other country, you can download those countries VPN depending upon which country you want to change to, and then go ahead and then open it up. And now you want to simply make sure to go ahead and then connect to one of the regions that you like. After you basically connect to one of the regions that you liked over here, allow the connection request. After you've done that, what you want to do is you want to come back to Roblox, and then you can just try to refresh the website if you're using from website, or relaunch the app if you're trying to use from the app, because that is the only way to do it. This way you can change country on Roblox. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.